Hindi sapat ang regular SSS pension para sa retirement lifestyle na gusto natin. But the good news is, hindi lang regular SSS at regular pag-ibig savings ang options natin. Merong SSS Pension Booster, Pag-ibig MP2 at Pera na pwede mong i-consider to boost your retirement savings. In this video, pag-usapan natin ang tatlong savings and investment options na ito. Same goal, to grow your money for retirement, but each one has different features and benefits. So pag-usapan natin ang different features of each investment at kung ano ang kaibahan nila, so you can decide which option may be suitable for you and your retirement goals. Before I continue, quick shoutout muna sa mga bagong YouTube channel members ko. Kay Jawi, Wilbert, Irwin, Joyce, Eileen, and Mary De La Cruz. Maraming salamat for joining as channel members and supporting my YouTube channel. I really appreciate your support. Let's start with my SSS Pension Booster. The current mandatory SSS contribution includes the regular SSS and mandatory provident fund na binabayaran mo monthly. Ang My SSS Pension Booster is a voluntary retirement savings program that allows SSS members to build additional retirement savings, pandagdag sa SSS retirement benefits na makukuha mo pag nag-retire ka. Ito yung dating Wiz Plus and then ni-rebrand ng SSS at naging My SSS Pension Booster. Open ito to all SSS members regardless of monthly salary credit with at least one posted contribution and without filed final benefit claim. Which means pag nag-file ka na ng retirement benefit, hindi ka na pwedeng mag-SSS Pension Booster. Ito ang kaibahan niya sa Pag-ibig MP2. Kasi sa MP2, maski retired ka na, pwede ka pa rin maghulog. Basta dati kang member ng Pag-ibig Fund. Napag-usapan natin ang features ng My SSS Pension Booster. Affordable Savings Scheme. Minimum contribution is 500 pesos. Pareho sila ng MP2. Walang maximum limit. Ang limit ay depende sa SSS partner collecting agent kung magkano ang maximum nila per payment. Tax-free ang earnings ng SSS Pension Booster. Same with MP2. Pwede ka magbayad ng contributions online. Pwede sa My SSS website, sa e-wallets like GCash and Maya, and pwede rin over the counter through SSS branches or collection partners sa malls or bayad center using a PRN or payment reference number. Pwede ka magbayad ng contribution anytime pero need mo muna mag-generate ng PRN bago ka magbayad. Unlike sa MP2 na account number lang ang kailangan mo. For voluntary SSS members like self-employed and OFWs, pwede ka magbayad ng My SSS Pension Booster contributions together with your regular SSS contributions para isang PRN lang siya. Mabilis ang posting ng contributions sa SSS. Real-time siya, unlike MP2 where posting usually takes a few days. Kung employed member ka at gusto mong magdagdag ng savings through the voluntary My SSS Pension Booster, this is an additional contribution that you need to pay separately from your regular SSS contribution. Kaya lang, you need to have a posted regular SSS contribution para sa applicable period bago ka makapag-generate ng PRN for the voluntary pension booster. Choose mo lang ang pension booster only pag nag-generate ka ng PRN. Pwede mo i-monitor ang contributions mo online through My SSS account. Makikita mo rin ang actual returns or income ng investment mo sa My SSS account. Upon retirement, makukuha mo ang total accumulated value, yung principal plus investment income, tax-free yan. And then, meron kang option to choose kung gusto mo ng pension, lump sum, or a combination of pension and lump sum. This is on top of your SSS pension retirement benefits. Other benefits, pwedeng mag-withdraw sa SSS Pension Booster sa unang taon, but only in case of members, extreme hardship situation gaya ng critical illness, involuntary separation from employment, or repatriation to the Philippines pag OFW ka. Pero pag naka 2 to 4 years ka na as a member, allowed ang mag-withdraw either partial or full withdrawal. Pero reduced income depending on the years of membership. Pag naka 5 years ka na as a member, you have the option to withdraw in partial or full. And full earnings na ang makukuha mo, walang penalty. Ang kagandahan sa MySSS Pension Booster, pag hindi ka nag-full withdrawal after 5 years, pwede mo pa rin ituloy-tuloy ang paghulog ng contributions until retirement. Pero pag nag-full withdrawal ka, need mo ulit gumawa ng new SSS Pension Booster account pag gusto mo ulit maghulog. Saan naka-invest ang fund? Contributions are pooled and invested in government securities, corporate bonds, fixed income instruments, equities, and money market instruments. Wala akong mahanap na consolidated year-by-year table sa SSS website showing the historical ROI of MySSS Pension Booster. Makikita ito sa iba't ibang SSS announcements at official government releases. Nasa 6.97% ang actual ROI noong 2023 and then 6.83% noong 2025. And average ROI sa 2026 ay 6.2%. Pwede mo ma-check ang actual income ng investment mo sa MySSS account mo. Merong 1% management fee sa SSS Pension Booster pero naka-waive daw muna siya from 2025 until 2028. Pwede ka mag-enroll online through MySSS account and then click Pension Booster under the services, then follow mo lang ang instructions. Next is Pag-ibig MP2. This is a voluntary savings program naman offered by Pag-ibig Fund to Pag-ibig members who wish to grow their savings. Government guaranteed siya and tax-free with higher annual returns versus the Pag-ibig regular savings. Flexible ang Pag-ibig MP2. You can deposit anytime. Pwedeng monthly, pwede ring one-time lump sum deposit lang. Pag employed ka, you can decide whether to contribute through your employer via salary deduction or pwede ring magbayad ka on your own. Minimum contribution is 500 pesos and tinaasan na nila ang maximum contribution from 10 million pesos dati, ginawang 20 million pesos na ang maximum contribution per member. 5 years ang lock-in period. Mawi-withdraw mo ang MP2 mo after 5 years. Pwede naman i-pre-terminate kung kailangan mo ng pera as long as the reasons are valid. Gaya ng critical illness, health issues, disability, unemployment, and migration to other country. Merong dalawang options sa MP2 dividend payout. You can choose to receive your dividends annually or upon maturity. Pero kailangan mong indicate ang preferred dividend payout option mo pag nag-enroll ka sa MP2. Pwede ka mag-enroll sa MP2 online through Virtual Pag-ibig and pwede ka ring pumunta sa any Pag-ibig branch to open an account. Dividends lang ang pwedeng ma-withdraw, hindi kasama yung principal. Yung principal mo ay after 5 years mo pa rin pwedeng makuha. If you choose upon maturity, ang dividends mo are retained in your account and will be automatically reinvested. Kaya compounding ang dividend niya. Mawi-withdraw mo lang together with your principal after 5 years. Okay, so ito yung MP2 savings return since 2021. Nasa 6% to 7.12%. Tax-free ito. Ang latest dividend rate noong 2025 ay 7.12%. Dividends are computed based on average monthly balance and credited annually sa MP2 account. Usually around March to April ang crediting after mag-declare ng dividend ang Pag-ibig Fund around end February. Pag-ibig Fund invest at least 70% of its investable funds in housing finance as required by its charter. And the rest ay naka-invest sa government securities and corporate bonds. Upon maturity, pwede mo nang ma-withdraw ang full amount, yung principal mo plus the dividends that you earned. Pwede mo ring i-roll over for another 5 years and continue contributing and earning dividends. Kaya lang, kailangan mo ng new MP2 account para doon ma-roll over ang matured MP2 savings mo. MP2 and SSS Pension Booster are suitable for conservative investors na ang priority ay capital preservation and stability. Compared to equity investments, they offer a conservative approach to growing your retirement savings at hindi mo kailangan bantayan ang investment mo sa SSS Pension Booster at MP2. Kung ayaw mo ng stock market volatility at wala kang time to study the stock market, SSS Pension Booster and MP2 ang suitable for you. Next investment option is PERA. PERA stands for Personal Equity and Retirement Account. It's a long-term retirement savings program offered by the government, which offers tax incentives to encourage Filipinos to save and invest for retirement. Pero was designed to supplement the retirement benefits na matatanggap from SSS or GSIS upon retirement. Same purpose sa SSS Pension Booster and MP2, which is to grow your retirement fund. Pero ang pera is pang long term talaga. Sa SSS Pension Booster and MP2, pwede mong ma-withdraw ang contributions and earnings mo after 5 years without penalty. Pero dito sa pera, merong 55 and 5 rule that you need to follow, which means pwede mong ma-withdraw ang pera contributions and earnings mo without penalty at the age of 55 with at least 5 years contribution. Pero kung 55 years old and above ka na when you open a pera account, yung 5-year contribution period na lang ang kailangan mong ma-meet to qualify for withdrawal without penalty. Itong list ng current pera administrators kung saan pwede ka mag-open ng pera account. Tatlo ang BSP supervised entities, ang Atram Trust Corporation, BDO Unibank, and BPI Asset Management and Trust Corporation. Kaya lang limited lang ang investment option sa kanila. Pwede ka lang mag-invest sa pera accredited funds, puro local funds. Pero sa Atram Trust Corporation, may dalawang global funds na pera accredited na. Available pa lang sa Atram Pera and hopefully soon maging available na rin sa Dragonfy. For SEC supervised entities, merong dalawa, Dragonfy and Luna Securities. Dragonfy is the first SEC accredited pera administrator in the Philippines. Mas madaming options pag sa broker ka mag-open ng pera account. Hindi lang funds ang pwede mong mabili. Take note, isang pera account lang ang allowed per individual. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-open ng pera account sa iba't ibang pera administrators. Sa Dragonfy ako nag-open ng pera account. Kung wala ka pang account sa Dragonfy at gusto mong mag-open ng pera account, pwede ka mag-sign up sa Dragonfy using my referral code MoneyWise. So, mas madaming selection of pera investments dito. Pwede ka mag-invest sa dividend-paying stocks. Mga stocks na included sa PSE Dividend Yield Index or DIVY. Pwede rin sa REITs. You can also invest sa top 30 Philippine stocks. Ito ang mga malalaking companies na kasama sa PSE Index. And meron ding funds. Sa ngayon, mga local funds pa lang ang available sa pera. Waiting pa lang sa dalawang Atram Global Pera Funds. So hopefully soon, maging available na rin siya sa Dragonfy. Kung conservative investor ka at ayaw mo sa volatility ng stocks, pwede mong i-consider ang money market fund. Ang annual growth rate ay nasa around 6% pag sa pera account ka bibili. Walang hiwalay na interest payment or dividend na matatanggap. Instead, yung income earned by the money market fund is reflected in its NAV per unit. Kaya tumataas ang value ng investment mo over time. Requirements to open a pera account. Pera is open to all Filipinos, 18 years old and above. Basta meron kang tax identification number or TIN. Masti 55 years old and above ka na, pwede ka pa rin mag-open ng pera account. Wala namang nakalagay na maximum age para makapag-open ng pera account. Ito naman ang mga benefits ng pera. You can get 5% tax credit on your pera contributions up to 10,000 pesos per year for local residents and up to 20,000 pesos per year naman for overseas Filipinos. Meron ako nagawang video about pera tax credit. Check out this video if you want to learn more about the 5% tax credit. Another benefit is tax-free ang earnings sa pera. Exempted from tax ang cash dividends ng REITs and stocks, as well as the interest income ng money market and bond funds. Sa pera, you will get 100% of the income you earned. Kaya higher ang potential for your money to grow faster sa pera account. Another benefit, walang estate tax ang investments sa pera. In the event na nag-goodbye earth ang pera contributor, the contributors, heirs, or beneficiaries will receive the pera fund without having to pay estate taxes. Merong maximum contribution per year na pwede mong ihulog sa pera, up to 200,000 pesos per year for local residents and up to 400,000 pesos per year naman for overseas Filipinos. And for married couple, magkahiwalay ang contribution limit ng bawat isa. And then, nagre-reset ang contribution limit every year, tuwing January. Pag nag-withdraw ka outside the qualified conditions, withdrawal will be considered an unqualified withdrawal and merong penalties. So, 20% on gross income earned and babawiin din ang 5% tax credit previously claimed on your pera contributions. And then, merong annual administrator fee ang Dragonfy. Nasa 0.45% per year and then capped at 300 pesos. So, 300 pesos ang maximum annual fee. Kaya sulit na siya for me. When you reach the age of 55 with at least 5 years contribution, may option ka pa rin to keep your pera account and continue investing and enjoy the tax-free benefit ng pera. Pero pwede ka ring mag-partial withdrawal or sell and withdraw everything. And then the amount you will receive will depend on your investment's market value at the time of your withdrawal. So yan ang tatlong investment options that you can consider to boost your retirement savings. You can combine different retirement savings programs depending on your risk tolerance, investment horizon, age, and financial goals. That's all for today. Palike and share na rin para makatulong din sa iba.